You've been doing push-ups for months? Same count, same ceiling. And somewhere in the back of your head, you've started to wonder, is this just my limit? It's not your limit, it's your method. I know this because I've been there, training hard, staying consistent, soaking through shirts, and going absolutely nowhere until I found this method that can take you from 10 to over 80 push-ups in a single set. It's something nobody's telling you. It's brutal, it's simple, and it works. But I have to be honest with you, this method is not for everyone. 99% of people will quit in 3 or 4 days. But the ones who push through, they will feel a change in their push-ups they've never experienced before. And the best part is, it really is simple. But first, I need to make one thing clear. Most people do 5 sets of 12 to 15 reps, thinking that's going to build strength and increase their numbers. No, they're completely wrong. Instead, you need to do fewer sets, but take each one all the way to complete muscular failure. Apply this, and you can go from 10 push-ups to over 40 in just 2 months. Now, the method. It's called the ladder method. You stack push-up variations in a continuous sequence, from hardest to easiest, each one taken to absolute failure. Say your hardest variation is decline push-ups. Go until your arms are shaking and you can't squeeze out one more clean rep. Then immediately drop to standard push-ups. No 1-minute rest, no pause. Same rule, go to failure. Then move to incline push-ups, hands elevated on a bench or a chair. That reduces the load just enough to squeeze out more reps. And when you hit failure again, finish with knee push-ups, the final stage. Don't stop until your arms literally quit on you. Rest a couple of minutes, then do 2 to 3 more sets, running this routine 2 to 3 times per week. As you can see, that's a full ladder. By moving from harder to easier variations, you're extending your time under tension. That's the key to endurance and hypertrophy. Most people fail because the moment their muscles give out, they stop and rest. That works in the gym for size, but if you want more reps and more strength, no, it doesn't work. The ladder method forces your body to keep working even when exhausted, recruiting new muscle fibers, improving stamina, and building explosive strength. You're not just doing more push-ups, you're training your body to fight through fatigue. And that's where real growth happens. 3 rules, non-negotiable. Rule 1, full range of motion. Chest to the floor and arms fully locked at the top, because half reps get you half results. Rule 2, no ego. Don't chase numbers, chase control. Perfect form beats sloppy volume every single time. Rule 3, recovery matters. Your body doesn't grow during the push-ups, it grows between them, so rest. Seriously. Here's the challenge. Try this method for 2 months. Commit and track your rep count every session. Drop in the comments how many push-ups you can do right now, and come back in 4 weeks to see how much you've actually evolved. I'm the Movement Sketch, and I hope this helped you. Now, get on the floor.